Opening your Cisco router in the internet without proper security is so risky, guys. Here 4 additional tips I use to secure my Cisco IOS router when it has a public IP. The first one is using ACL or access control list. Try to apply ACL on your WAN interface and also your management service like SSHIs. In my case, I apply the ACL on my WAN interface because the router has service like SNMP, DNS or NTP enabled. I block them using an inbound ACL. I also open port 443 for my web service, but I use a Cloudflare proxy to secure it. So I only allow the Cloudflare IP range to access the port 443. After defining your DNS rules, don't forget to add permit IP any at the end. So in this ACL, I only allow HTTPS from the Cloudflare. I block common expose service like SNMP, DNS or NTP, and finally, I allow the rest of the traffic. For the management access, you can also apply an ACL like this configuration. Ensure allow it untrusted IP can access the SSH telnet is completely disabled. Another alternative, if you are using quiet mode, you can also limit login attempt. That help protect against the brute force attack by limiting who can attempt the login during attack connection and automatically blocking repeated valid login attempt. The second tip is to further secure your management service. For SSH, you can configure login using public key authentication only. Also use the enable secret command so that entering privileged mode requires a secure password. You can enable service password encryption to automatically encrypt the password file in the configuration file. This makes sure passwords are not stored in a plain text. Privileged access is protected with a strong encryption. The third tip, guys, it's always know what service is running on your router. In my case, I run SNMP, NTP, and DNS. These services should be controlled very carefully, guys. If they are not needed from the internet side, block them on your WAN interface or disable them completely. The key point here is understand your service and secure or disable anything unnecessary. This reduces your attack surface by turning off the unnecessary service, preventing exposure from the public internet. The last tip is to regularly check your public IP using online scanner like Censys or Shodan. This helps you to see how your routers look like from the internet perspective. Always recheck your IP when you open a new port or enable new service. And that's it, guys. I'm still learning, so if you have any suggestion or better practice, feel free in the comment. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.